In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the free and easy way to add music to iMovie or any other video editing app. Coming up. So the first way I would recommend is getting a screen recorder like GoRecord or Record It. GoRecord is a free app that you can download on the App Store. Once it is downloaded, all you gotta do is set it up in your settings. Once that's done, you just click record, open up YouTube, and you can start recording songs straight into your camera roll. Then all you have to do is import your screen recorded clip into iMovie, detach the audio, slide it under your video, and boom, now you have that YouTube video, song, or whatever added to your video. Please give this video a thumbs up if it has helped you out in any way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next videos over here.